Hello and welcome to Chop Steam Cook, your go-to for time-saving and efficient cooking with Thermomix and Thermomix Friend. My name is Evelin and I'm a food engineer, and this channel is my private passion project to share my know-how. In our last recipe, we spoke about creating a XXL creamy tomato soup recipe through doubling the ingredients. Today, I want to combine two 6 portions recipes to create a XXL one. So I picked a really nice pumpkin and mushroom soup which perfectly fits in this autumn season. Both recipes are very easy and quick and can be adapted for a vegan version too. So now let's look closer at the process of creating a XXL recipe out of 2 different soup recipes.
You should look at both soups, compare them and decide which one is cooked in the Thermomix and in the Thermomix Friend. In our case, we decided to cook the pumpkin soup in the Thermomix Friend and the mushroom soup in the Thermomix, due to the pumpkin needing longer to cook. Hence, it makes sense to put the one needing longer into the Thermomix Friend, so they both come out at the same time. Then, you sum up the list of ingredients of both recipes together accordingly. Ingredients that appear more often are combined, summed up in the list of ingredients. Yet, the individual quantities must be mentioned in the preparation. Don't forget, the ingredients that are added before the soup is blended are placed at the end of the ingredient list. First off, the ones cooked in the Thermomix, and then the ones for the Thermomix Friend. If onions are chopped up and sautéed in both soups, these steps can be combined as in our example here, as long as the maximum quantity is not exceeded. In our examples, we have 100 grams per recipe, well below the maximum limit, so they can be done together. Then half of the sautéed onions are transferred into the second mixing bowl. Then we follow the preparation steps of the pumpkin soup up until the cooking, which takes place in the Thermomix Friend. Since the pumpkin soup has a longer cooking time, the Thermomix Friend can be switched on immediately. In the meantime, while that is cooking, put the second mixing bowl in the Thermomix and get started with the mushroom soup. As soon as both soups are cooking, the parallel steps from the original recipes, such as frying the bread and mushrooms, are to be done. Once Thermomix rings, add the remaining ingredients for the mushroom soup and also blend in the Thermomix. Remove mixing bowl from Thermomix Friend and insert in Thermomix. Add remaining ingredients and blend soup. Season both soups after your taste. Serve pumpkin soup garnished with roasted bread and mushroom soup garnished with fried mushroom slices, creme fraiche and parsley leaves. Here we see the combined recipe with all ingredients and preparation steps. One can apply this logic to many recipes with ease and save time if one learns the tricks how to do this. By merging the ingredients, taking the Thermomix rules in consideration and adjusting Thermomix settings slightly to accommodate the Thermomix Friend, one can easily cook in parallel. Try and see if you can do it with your favorite recipe. Let's start cooking your soup. Place in mixing bowl in Thermomix garlic, onions and oil. Chop 4 seconds, speed 5. Then sauté 5 minutes, 120 degrees, speed 1. Instead of measuring cup, place simmering basket on Thermomix mixing bowl lid. Transfer half of onion mixture to second mixing bowl and set aside. Add to mixing bowl in Thermomix pumpkin, 100 gram potatoes, chop 5 seconds, speed 5. Add to mixing bowl in Thermomix 500 gram water, coconut milk, paprika powder, curry powder, cayenne pepper, 1 to 1.5 teaspoons salt, and 1 vegetable stock cube. Remove mixing bowl from Thermomix, insert in Thermomix Friend, and cook 20 minutes, 95 degree, speed 1. Instead of measuring cup, place simmering basket on mixing bowl lid. Meanwhile, continue with the mushroom soup. Place second mixing bowl with onion mixture in Thermomix. Add 100 gram potatoes and mushrooms. Chop 10 seconds, speed 4. Add to mixing bowl in Thermomix 400 gram water, wine, milk, 1 vegetable stock cube, and a half teaspoon salt. And cook 15 minutes, 95 degrees, speed 1.5. Instead of measuring cup, place second simmering basket on Thermomix mixing bowl lid. Meanwhile, cut mushrooms in thin slices and bread slices in cubes. Roast both in a frying pan with a little olive oil until crispy. Add to mixing bowl in Thermomix parsley, cream, and blend 1 minute speed 4, increasing speed gradually to speed 7. Set bowl aside. Remove mixing bowl from Thermomix Friend and insert in Thermomix. And blend soup 1 minute speed 4, increase speed gradually to speed 9. Season both soups to taste. Serve pumpkin soup garnished with roasted bread and mushroom soup garnished with fried mushroom slices, creme fraiche and parsley leaves.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends so that you don't miss anything. See you in the next videos.